Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello, chocolate lovers. In this video, I will explain how to make chocolates in chocolate molds. First, select premium chocolate with at least 60% cocoa solids for the best flavor and texture. Next, make sure your molds are spotlessly clean and completely dry to prevent any sticking. Finally, gather all your necessary tools, including a double boiler, a heat-resistant spatula, and a reliable thermometer, before you begin your delicious journey. Tempering is crucial for achieving that beautiful, shiny finish and a satisfying snap. Start by melting 2/3 of your chosen chocolate in a double boiler until it reaches approximately 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, add the remaining 1/3 of solid chocolate to the melted portion, stirring continuously. Keep stirring until the entire mixture cools down to between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise process prevents any dullness or streaks. Now for the fun part, filling your molds. Carefully pour the perfectly tempered chocolate into each cavity, ensuring they are filled to the brim. Gently tap the molds several times on your work surface to encourage any trapped air bubbles to rise to the top and escape. Use a flat spatula to scrape off any excess chocolate from the mold surface, creating clean, professional edges. Finally, let your chocolate set completely in a cool, dry environment. Once your chocolates are completely firm, it's time to demold them. Gently flex the silicone mold or tap the hard plastic mold on a clean surface, and the chocolates should pop right out. Try to handle them as little as possible to avoid leaving fingerprints. Store your beautiful, homemade chocolates in an airtight container at a cool room temperature to maintain their freshness and shine. Now, you can proudly enjoy your delicious, professional-looking chocolate creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.